talk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't have. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like R and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
Hello and welcome back, my lovely people. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, you are welcome, and if you're coming back, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all the goodness of this drink. Like, this drink can heal you from inside and out. It can clear all the nyama disease, like from the inside and out, like I said. So if you want to know this, if you want to see and hear the benefits of this drink, like a glass of it is so amazing. Like, it's so soothing. You can see how this looks. Oh my goodness, like this drink is just everything. Like, everything you need is inside this drink. So without any further ado, without delaying you all, let's jump right into it. So as you can see, I'm cutting my pineapple, and we know that pineapple is so rich in antioxidants. So here you can see I'm cutting my pineapple already, and we know that pineapple has these countless benefits like it gives to the body. Pineapple is great when it comes to health benefits. Pineapple is great when it comes to losing that belly fat. Pineapple is so good, like it's a good source of fiber. Yeah, so that's why our first ingredient in this recipe will be pineapple. Like, the pineapple is so good and is super active ingredient in this, and it's going to help fight infection. It's going to help fight any nyama disease, any belly fat and all that. Like, it's so good. Now we are going to be using beetroot in this recipe. Yeah, and we know beetroots are great source of fiber. Like, it's so good. It's a great source of vitamin B, potassium, iron, as well as vitamin C. Like, it's packed with essential nutrients, and this juice has been associated with numerous health benefits. Like, beetroot in this recipe is super awesome, guys. So guys, my next ingredient will be lemon, and we know lemon has these amazing benefits. Lemon stimulates the body to release these toxins, and this is why many people start their day. It's so essential when you start your morning with lemon water. It's beneficial, to the body, and it eliminates any toxins, and it helps your digestion as well. Finally, we are going to be using ginger, and we know ginger is so good when it comes to that pinch of spice in your drink. And we know that ginger is one of the healthiest spices on the planet. Yeah, and it's so active when it comes to fighting infections and any belly fat and all that. Now, as you can see, I've finished cutting all that, and I went ahead and added just 1 cup of water inside my blender, and I'm going to start blending. So here, as you can see, I'm adding beetroot. I'm just going to be adding this bit by bit, and I'm going to be blending this beautifully. Keep on watching. So my lovely people, if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I'm begging you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tap on that bell icon as well. So doing that, you get notifications anytime I upload my video, and you will be among the people that will watch this video as soon as I upload. So thank you so much. So here, as you can see, I'm going to be turning in our first batch of this drink. And here I'm going to be using my straining bag to strain out all the water inside my bowl. Please keep on watching. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Yeah, look at that wealth. Look at that goodness inside this bowl. Like, this is everything you need to cleanse you from the inside and out. So yeah, as you can see, I'm going to be going ahead and just going to do basically what I did before. And yeah, keep on watching and watch me juice out this beautiful and amazing drink. Keep on watching, my lovelies.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a
So my lovelies, this is the end part of this video. I hope you like it. I hope you love it. I hope you found it informative. And yeah, I just want to put it out there. This is just for information purposes. Yeah, and always consult your doctor if you want a recommendation like this. And this is not a substitute for any medicine at all. So yeah, it will be wise for you to consult your doctor for any recommendation like this. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to Amaka's Healthy Kitchen for more videos to come, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye. Bye, lovelies.
would I have a chance? Would you